Okay children, now we are going to see about the climate of Tamil Nadu. In the last class we have seen about the waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. Now we are going to see the climate of Tamil Nadu. So Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate and there is a very little difference between summer and winter. So very little difference tropical climate only. The temperature during the summer can rise up to 40 degrees Celsius. Due to its location, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather. So during the summer season, we will get a very hot, and in winter season, we will get a humid weather almost throughout the year with mild winter only for us. So Tamil Nadu is dependent on the monsoon rains and often faces droughts if monsoon fails. So on the monsoon rains, in the months, some of the rain should be there. If we didn't get the rains, we get the drought. வறுமை தான் வரும். Because மழை இருந்தால்தான் பயிர் நிலமெல்லாம் will grow the crops and we can have the food for that. But if there is no monsoon rains, then surely we will face the droughts. Drought means வறுமை. Panjam. Okay, so on the seasonal rain should be there. What are the seasons for the Tamil Nadu? The 4 seasons of Tamil Nadu is, first one is winter season. Winter season between the months of January and February. Okay, and then summer season. So எப்போ நம்ம summer season? March to May. Marchலேருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிடும் till May we will get the summer season. Then southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon is June to September. ஸோ இந்த ஜூன்லேருந்து செப்டம்பருக்குள்ள சவுத் வெஸ்ட் மான்சூன் அண்ட் நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் மான்சூன். நார்த் ஈஸ்ட் மான்சூன் அக்டோபர் டு டிசம்பர். ஸோ இந்த சீசனில் சவுத் வெஸ்ட் மான்சூன் ஜூன் டு செப்டம்பர் the rain should be there. And north east monsoon is October to December. If these rains are misses, we have to face the drought, that is the Panjam. So this climate is experienced the tropical climate and very little difference between the summer and the winter. And the temperature rises up to 40 degrees Celsius. Due to this location, so Tamil Nadu receives only hot and the humid weather. So it's too hot and humid weather throughout the year with mild winter only. Varshamulka namalku mild winter da. So this Tamil Nadu is dependent on the monsoon rains. If this monsoon rain fails, what will happen? Surely we have to face the drought. Okay, here they are given the try to answer. Try to answer page number 111. During which month the state receives? During which month does the state receive? Does the state receive rainfall? From southwest monsoon. So southwest monsoon, which months? Here the southwest monsoon is from June to September. June to September. And the second question is, describe the weather of Tamil Nadu. Describe the weather of Tamil Nadu in a sentence. So நம்ம Tamil Nadu climate will be its experiences. Tamil Nadu has hot and humid weather almost throughout the year with a mild winter. So Tamil Nadu experiences a tropical climate. It experiences tropical climate. Tropical climate and hot and humid weather What time you meet weather? Almost throughout the year. Throughout the year with mild climate. With mild winter. Okay. So this is it. Now go through this and learn these questions. Now Tiptari recorded the all the time highest temperature is 48.6 degrees Celsius in May 2003. Now you are going to see about the forest. You know what I mean by the forest? So in forest, so we are seeing the climate. Now we are going to see about the forest. So in forest, you know that there are many types of forest across Tamil Nadu. Most of these forests are found in the areas near the Ghats, that is Western Ghats or Eastern Ghats, near these areas. Here you see the Tamil Nadu map is here. Here there is a forest in Tamil Nadu. Where the forests are found, they are given the green trees. Okay. So, most of these forests are found near the Ghats. These forests have so many types of trees. The topmost branches of the trees form a continuous chain such that a little or no sunlight hits the ground. This is called canopy. So, the topmost three branches of the tree are fully covered like a continuous chain. Branches, it will goes on like a chain. That little or the sunlight or no sunlight hits the ground. This is called as a canopy. So, the forests are divided based on this canopy cover. And the canopy is which they will divide the forest based on this. So, very dense forest, moderate dense forest, open forest. So, very dense forest. ரொம்ப அடர்த்தியாக இருக்கிறது அப்படியே கிட்ட இருட்டாக இருக்குது very dense forest. Then moderate dense, ஓரளவுக்கு கொஞ்சம் light but thick, moderate dense forest. Then open forest. Some gap in between the space will be there, open forest. So very dense forest the Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli and Erode. Coimbatore, Tirunelveli and Erode. Okay, then here also moderate forest, the Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Erode, same thing. Coimbatore, Erode and Krishnagiri. And the next one, open forest. Open forest is where you can see Salem, Velur and then Dharmapuri. So, these three forests. So, they will divide the forest according to the canopy. Canopy means the topmost branches of the tree form a continuous branches, like a chain, continuous chain, such that a little or no sunlight hits on the ground is called canopy. In the canopy, they have divided the three types of forest: very dense forest, moderate dense, and open forest. Okay. Now, next one is the forest can be grouped as. So, group up now they have grouped as evergreen forest, deciduous forest, mangrove forest. Okay. So, they group the forest as can be grouped as how can they group? They can be grouped as evergreen forest, deciduous forest and mangrove forest. Evergreen forest. First one we will see about the evergreen forest. The word evergreen means always green. Evergreen, that is always green. The trees in this forest have leaves that are always green. In this forest, the trees will be always green. In Tamil Nadu, we find evergreen forest in the western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, Nilgiri. Evergreen is always green forest. Always green. And these forests are found in where? Western Ghats of Tirunelveli. Western Ghats of Tirunelveli. Then Tirunelveli. Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari, Coimbatore. Kanyakumari, Nilgiris, and Coimbatore. And next one, deciduous forest. What do you mean by the deciduous forest? Deciduous forest. These trees in this forest shed their leaves during the dry season. So in the trees the forest they shed their leaves during the dry season shed their leaves. So these forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. They generally grow in the lower regions of the hills. So these trees shed their leaves during only in the rainy season. They shed their leaves in the shed their leaves in dry season. Ilayudir Kalam. So these always found near the evergreen forest. And these forests grow in the lower regions of hills. So grow in the lower regions of the hills. So like this you can make a note down in the point by point so that you can easily learn, children. Grow the enga vararum only the lower regions of the hills. Okay. And now swamp forest. Swamp forest is mangrove forest. Swamp forest is mangrove forest. So this is also known as the swamp or mangrove forest. This is the third one. The word swamp means areas that are low where water gets collected easily. What do you mean by that? The word swamp means areas that are low. Swamp means areas that are low. Rumba low areas, low areas where water collects easily. Where water collects easily. So, enga panna irukudho anga thanni easy ah poidilla, like that low area la irukku mele irundhu keela varumbodhu it will collect the water easily. And these forests are usually found near the beaches and the river beds. So this will found near the beaches and the river beds. Aattupadukkai. So the Pichavaram mangrove forest is famous for this. The Pichavaram mangrove forest. So example for this swamp or a mangrove forest is Pichavaram mangrove forest. Okay. So it is located near in Chidambaram. This is located in Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. Okay. So this is the lesson. So, Pichavaram mangrove forest in Chidambaram. So, here they are given the meanings also. Flora and fauna, the plants and animals of an environment. So, they are given the glossary. So, glossary is flora and fauna, plants and animals of an environment. Ghat, a mountain pass or a mountain range. Drought, a prolonged period of very low rainfall. Then weather, the daily state of the atmosphere or air in any given place. Then climate, the average of the weather conditions in an area over a long period. Okay, children. Now, the recap. Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. Where is Tamil Nadu located? Tamil Nadu is located in the south of India. Landscapes can be divided into 4 categories, namely mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Landscapes are divided into 4 categories. What are they? They are mountains, plateaus, plains and coast. Plains are found along the rivers and coast. The coastline of Tamil Nadu is shared by the 13 districts. The coastal line of Tamil Nadu is shared by 13 districts. What are the 13 districts here we are seeing here? I told you, no? Tiruvallur, Chennai, Kanchipuram, Kadalur, Nagapattinam, Tiruvarur, Tanjavur, Pudukkottai, Ramanathapuram, Tirunelveli, Thuthukudi and Kanyakumari. So these are the 13 districts that shares the coastline of Tamil Nadu. Then Tamil Nadu has a tropical climate. What type of climate? Tamil Nadu has a tropical climate. And forests can be grouped as evergreen forest, deciduous forest, swamp forests are also known as the mangrove forest. So this is the lesson for you in this second unit, children. So this is about the physical features of the Tamil Nadu. So you buy one Tamil Nadu map, you get it. Tamil Nadu rivers physical features and Tamil Nadu rivers map, you get it in the shop, they will give. So in the book you can see the rivers, you can mark, and then you can mark the places like this also. What are the boundaries of Tamil Nadu? That is Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. So like this you can mark, children, get the map and mark it, get the book. Ask your parents to pay the fees and get the books, children, so that we can do the map work also in your book. We have to mark the rivers and we can mark the coastal lines of Tamil Nadu. Everything we can mark in this, okay? And here they are given the what are the types of forests, everything, 4 types of forests. Deciduous forest, evergreen forest and swamp forest. Dash are found in places where there is a heavy rainfall. Evergreen forest. Okay, then here they are given the fill up and choose the best answer and question answer, everything. Okay, children, go through this lesson and learn these question answers. So in this today we are seeing the types of forest, and these forests, most of the forests are found near the Ghats only. What do you mean by the canopy? The topmost branches of the trees form a continuous chain and a little or no sunlight in the ground. So this is called a canopy. And the forests are divided on the basis of the very dense forest, moderate dense forest and open forest. So the canopy light, sunlight which konjo light, sunlight whichever is hits the ground. So adu which they will do the very dense forest, moderate dense forest and open forest. So where we can find the moderate dense forest? Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Tirunelveli and Erode, and as well as the moderate dense forest also Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Erode and Krishnagiri. And open forest is Salem, Vellore and Dharmapuri. Okay, so this is the lesson, children. So go through this and buy the map. And buy the map and mark the places and everything. So by the Tamil Nadu கேட்டு வாங்குங்க. Tamil Nadu கேட்டுட்டு you mark the Tamil Nadu boundaries and then you buy the Tamil Nadu rivers and mark the rivers also that are given in the book, and as well as you can mark the coastal line also. Okay, children. So learn the question answers what all we are given in the each and everything. Landscapes, and then our state given the 2 questions. Where do the Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet the Nilgiri Hills? Name any 2 wildlife sanctuaries in Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu is Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary and Indira Gandhi Wildlife Sanctuary. And then here one question answer. Page number 111, name some important rivers in Tamil Nadu is River Palar, Cheyyar, Pennar, Vellar, Kaveri, Vaigai and Tamirabarani. And where is Kutralam waterfalls located? Kutralam waterfalls located in Tenkasi. And what are the seasons of Tamil Nadu? Winter seasons is January to February, and summer season is March to May, and southwest monsoon is June to September, and northeast monsoon is October to December. And describe the weather of Tamil Nadu in sentences. That is, experiences a tropical climate and humid and hot and humid weather throughout the year with a mild winter. So go through this, learn those question answers and go through the lesson, children. Thank you.